Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'll be talking about Pop OS. So as you can see here, I already have it here and I also have the ISO file right there. So now we're just gonna start this up and we're gonna move our cursor, not cursor, I mean. It immediately boots. That's new, I guess. At least for me, for it. Adjust window size. Oh my, I think I meant to do it this way. It's the only way possible. So I'm gonna switch to full screen. Don't mind my desktop, it's kind of messy. It's very messy actually. So yeah, this is the first time we are loading in. We're just gonna give it a moment. I've not personally used Pop OS, but it's based off Ubuntu Linux if I'm not wrong. So yeah, we're just gonna. Wow, interesting. It looks very interesting. Not gonna lie. I mean. Is it just me or do I feel like this is in the wrong ratio so I cannot click anything? Because I feel I see text there. Give me a moment, guys. Okay, I might have just, yeah, I just got Pop OS to crash on me. Well, now we're just gonna reload everything. Okay, just give me a moment. Sorry, guys. We're just gonna make this full screen so we can actually check if there's any errors while loading in. Okay, now we are just gonna let it stay. Okay. So now it's probably gonna load in now. Okay, good. It's loading in. Okay. Let's go X everything on top. Yeah, okay, you're loading in. Slowly but surely. You're loading in. Okay, it might be my graphics driver, which I do have to change. Sometimes this is the problem. Most of the times it is, and yeah, I can't. Oh, I can. Yeah, this is not possible. Sorry, guys. Time for me to just go and I'm gonna just go and force close this thing, and we are gonna change the graphics because the graphics is not gonna be well. I'm gonna change this to VBox as VGA. Okay, we're gonna scale it. Is the scale okay? We can't scale it. Yeah, we can't. Okay, I'm just gonna launch the VM and let's hope this time it works in the actual full ratio, I guess. Okay, it's really lagging. Not kind of surprised. Some operating systems took me a very long while, literally almost forever, to get them to work. For example, Elementary OS is one of them. But yeah, I mean, it was probably my fault as well. So yeah, we're gonna try to get this to work scale mode. Okay, I'm just gonna let it run the scale mode. You can switch. Okay, this is skip mode, right? Okay, this is a very bad way of scaling that thing, but yeah, okay, let's hope this works. I do not know why is it so glitchy. I have absolutely no clue why, but yeah, very weird. I mean, Elementary OS did the exact same thing, so not really that surprised. For Elementary OS, I had to use a certain graphics driver, then it would work, which was kind of a pain to try to find it because there's only exactly one driver. So yeah. Okay, I might have to make a part 2 to this if this doesn't work, and I probably don't want to save the state. So yeah, we might just close it off like this. Okay, now we're just gonna wait for it, I guess. This is a problem when you run virtual machines. Never mind, it's safe. Now I can't change the graphics because you have to shut it down. Okay, man. Now we just have to just reclose this again. Sorry guys for the wait because I'm not really used to the installation of Pop OS. It could be my fault, it could be their fault. I do not know. You have to power off the machine, then you can change hardware. If not, yeah, it'll be a hot swap. Yes, that's what they call it. Cannot remember. Anyways, we're gonna change this to VBox VGA. Let's hope this works because SVGA didn't work. Not all work. So yeah, if this doesn't display, okay, it does, and this looks kind of old, but I don't care whether it's old. I just need it to work, and yeah, that would be the best. And I just lost my cursor. Okay, here it is. My machine, my virtual machine users. Oh, and I can't even change the size. Okay, now we're just gonna wait for it to load. It could be just, I don't know, doing its thing, but okay, yeah, it's loading. It's loading for sure. I feel like that, yeah, that didn't fix the issue at all. Yeah, if you guys don't already notice, I'm facing a lot of problems using Pop OS. So yeah, it's very hard to use. I mean, at least for me. So if it's just a problem for me, I will probably go and find a way to fix it out. So yeah, I'm probably gonna have to end here because I can't even get past the installer and this is flickering a lot. So yeah, and I don't feel like I'm gonna get any seizures, but yeah, I'm just gonna stop for now. I'm gonna find out the reason for it tomorrow or in the next video. So if you guys like this video, please leave a like, subscribe. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.